Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a detailed step-by-step process on how I cut or resize my kienyeji chicken fresh from being slaughtered at home. So I hope you enjoyed the whole video. If it's your first time to my channel, feel so very much welcome. Join the family by subscribing, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the whole video. Leave a like, drop a comment in the comment section too. So I always begin cutting my chicken by separating the drumsticks from the whole chicken. This makes it so much easier. And guys, I would recommend, if you're doing this, ensure you have a sharp knife. Don't have a blunt knife like I did, but it gets the job done. But a sharp knife would ensure that the job is so very smooth and fast. Another thing that I like doing before cutting, and I would highly recommend this, is that you grill or you lightly roast your chicken. This ensures that there are no hairs remaining on the chicken whenever you are going to cook it, and it also ensures that the fresh smell of chicken will not be noticeable when you are eating it. After separating these, I'm now going to cut it into half, as you can see me doing here. I'll also do this to the other side, then I'll continue with the other part. If you are interested to see how I make incisions to the whole chicken, kindly make sure you stick to the very end. Also ensure you leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if this video is educative, if you learned a thing or two. It's now time to remove the stomach from the chicken, and guys, make sure you be so very careful and so gentle while you do this, because you don't want the contents of the stomach to spill out. It will be so messy, so just be gentle, take your time. After that, it's now time to work on the internal organs of the chicken, and this we will achieve by separating the chicken into half. So just follow the way I'm doing and you'll get there. After making the incisions using a knife, as you see me doing here, up to a point you are satisfied, you now have to pull the neck outside so that the contents of the inner part will be visible, and you have to use a lot of strength because this is kind of hard, so brace yourself for the task. And those are the internal organs already, so I'm just going to separate everything. And this chicken was a fat one, as you can see the fatty membranes there, the fatty oils. I hope the video in itself is self-explanatory, and it's also so very clear. The steps are so very clear and you can follow it so very well, guys. And guys, you don't have to worry about the black stuffs from grilling the chicken or roasting it, because after this we are going to wash them out and it won't be bad, so that's not an issue. Up to this point, you've seen how we've separated the drumsticks. You've also seen how we have separated the wings from the chicken and everything, guys. I hope it's self-explanatory and you can as well do this. Right now we want to work on the other half, which includes the internal organs such as the heart, the liver, the kidney, the lungs, the gizzard, the gallbladder. And guys, at this point you have to be so very careful while working at this point, because you don't want to break the gallbladder so that the bile will come out. You want to leave it as intact as it is, because if the gallbladder breaks, the bile will come out and the food will be so bitter, and that's what we don't want. So as you can see me doing here, just be careful and remove the gallbladder. As you can see it there, it hasn't gotten injured. Then this part we just cut the gizzard, and I don't know why I always do part all the sides with the knife. I think I've just grown up seeing my mother do that and I'm just used to that. I don't know the real reason behind it though. So ensure that everything is well cleaned up and well cut. Then you start working on the other half, whereby you are going to separate not the shoulder, you are going to separate the neck, and the other half you are going to cut it into half, as you'll see me do here, and just make sure that everything is good according to your preference. If you also like the intestines, you can just clean them up. So after doing all this, I now wash my chicken parts, and to do this I give my chicken parts rinses 3 times. This ensures that all the dirt and everything come out of the chicken, because I don't have running tap water. So this is what I do to ensure that it's all cleaned up. And guys, I also take the blood from the chicken. I don't always pour it out, so I'm going to just rinse it off well, and I'll cook it also with the other parts. And this is how I make sure that my intestines don't go anywhere while I'm cooking them. I just make sure that I put them onto the feet of the chicken. So if you liked this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and also like this video. Bye guys.